Were you able to complete your test?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent it to you.
Who all have sent it to me?
Ma'am, I have.
I bolo na beta, I am looking down. I don't.
Ma'am,
Take your name.
ma'am, I have also sent some.
Pratyusha.
Ma'am, I also sent. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pratyusha has sent.
And ma'am, you have seen also my work. Ma'am,
Okay,
I
let me
also.
see. Let me see. Because I was so busy in all my classes that I didn't get time to actually
Ma'am,
reply.
but you have seen my.
Beta, I am
Ma'am, my
already
also.
opened it. See, I didn't even download it. Now I'm downloading it. Okay, so let me see.
Ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, but it is showing that you have seen my work. Ma'am, my work also showing. Ma'am, have you seen?
Summer. Now listen to me. What have you written, beta? Dam structure built across a stream, a river, or an estuary to retain water. Dams are built to provide water for human consumption, for irrigation, and for use in industrial processes. This answer is absolutely correct. But where did you write it from?
Ma'am, I have written it.
From?
Ma'am, my book has taken a test. So, ma'am, from that I have written.
So, is this learned to you? Is it learned? Can you speak this
Ma'am,
answer without seeing?
ma'am, I will learn it twice.
Okay, so you wrote it without learning, huh? This is such a difficult language of your age. Pratyusha, what have you written via dance across a river?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody put your videos on.
Ma'am, I have written dams are built across a river to control its flows.
To control its flow.
Flows.
No, to control its flow. Okay. Anjali, what have you written, beta?
Ma'am, I have written that dams are built across a river because to stop the flowing of river.
To control, okay, to stop the flow of river. Devyanshu, what is your answer?
Ma'am, I have written
Yes.
when dams are built across the river because to produce hydraulic power for irrigation.
To produce
And to use water.
hydroelectricity
Yes,
for
ma'am.
irrigation and to control its flow. See, children, now need not write very difficult language and need not leave the answer incomplete. We have three reasons why dams are built. Firstly, to produce hydroelectricity. Fine. Secondly, why do we need this electricity? For irrigation and to control the flow of water. That's it.
Ma'am, I have written this only.
Yes, you have. See, Pratyusha, you have written this point, but this is incomplete. This is just one reason,
Okay.
right? There are three things that you will write. All of you will write in an answer. And Summer, what you have written is, the answer is absolutely correct. But beta, it's way too tough for your age. It's too tough for your age. In class 4th, it is not easy to remember such difficult words, difficult answers. The answer is absolutely correct. It's not wrong, but it will be difficult for you if you want to learn it. It'll take so much time. How many of you have not submitted the work, beta?
Ma'am, my three answers are left.
Okay. Now, those who are left to do, please do it. And after you will complete your work, we'll have oral objective test, live oral objective test. Okay. So those who have done, please revise your chapter also. All the exercises given at the back in between the chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Om, have you done your work?
No, ma'am.
Okay. How many questions are left, beta?
Ma'am,
I can't understand.
ma'am, I can't send my work. I will send my work afterwards.
No, not afterwards. You have to send me in this period only. You have to send the work in this period. It's a 40 minutes long class. You'll be able to do it. Only the questions are long, the answers are not long. There are 2-3 answers which only have one word to write. Yes, Anjali?
Ma'am, I want to ask that I have written answer 1 and answer 2. Ma'am, I don't know answer C, so I leave space for answer 3 and start
Okay,
writing answer.
let's discuss answer 3. Let me read out question number 3. Wait. Don't leave anything unanswered. What are sand dunes? What are sand dunes? Who is going to tell?
Ma'am, I have written in my book.
Listen, Anjali, page number 78 of your book. Page number 78.
Ma'am, this was not the question.
Yes, ma'am, this was not the question.
Ma'am, the question was another.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What was it?
Ma'am, what is the difference between a confluence and
Okay.
Triveni Sangam?
Ma'am, confluence and
Triveni Sangam. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Beta, wait. When one thing is going on, don't speak in between. Okay, Anjali, what is the difference between a confluence? Beta, a confluence is the point where two rivers meet. The point where two rivers meet is called a confluence. And the place where three rivers meet is called Triveni Sangam.
Ma'am, I have written this answer only.
Can you tell again what is Triveni Sangam?
Yeah, just a minute. I took test in your class of chapter 13 or chapter
Yes,
12.
ma'am.
Chapter
I'm
13. Okay. Because in other section I took it of chapter 12, so I got confused, which is question number 3. Now can you write, Anjali?
Yes, ma'am, but ma'am, can you tell what is Triveni Sangam?
Triveni Sangam. Triveni. What is 3? 3 means?
3.
Ma'am,
3. है ना? TRI. Try. Try in English and 3 in Hindi. So, a place where 3 rivers meet. What is meeting? Meeting is in Hindi called Sangam of something. No, when 3 rivers come and meet at a place, that place is called Triveni Sangam. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And if you want to know where this answer is, then see on page number 85, Factpedia. Page number 85, Factpedia, right hand side on the top. The first line is of confluence.
Ma'am, when we start this chapter, I have already underlined it
Yes. Can you see it?
as an important line.
Me too. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And the Triveni Sangam is given on the first paragraph of this page. 6th line. The place where 3 rivers meet is called Triveni Sangam. Don't write this place, make it the place where.
Ma'am,
Yes, now Om, say what you want to say.
when I can't send my work now because there's no storage in my phone.
Okay. In that case, beta, do you have something to delete from your phone? One thing is you can delete like what is
I send in evening.
okay. Do that.
Ma'am, I'm disconnecting again and again.
What beta?
Ma'am, I'm disconnecting again and again.
You have written questions now with you. You have all the questions with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now keep doing your work. Don't stop writing.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have written answer 4 first and answer 3 after. So, ma'am, I have to rub answer 4.
Say again, beta.
Ma'am, I have written answer 4 first and answer 3 second.
No problem.
ma'am-
No problem.
Okay.
Continue from there.
Ma'am, I have written answer 3 first. Ma'am, I have written answer number 4 first, then I have write answer number 3.
No problem, beta.
Okay.
There are only 7 students in the class right now. I don't know why others have not turned up.
Ma'am, after written all answers, we can post it.
You have to send it on my personal number. Don't post it in the class group.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in fill in the blanks, what is the answer number 1?
In fill in the blanks,
Yes, ma'am.
channels of drainage and water supply.
Okay. The perennial rivers have water throughout the dash have water throughout the year. River and near channels of drainage and water supply The dash before half what is the parent here? A dash is built across.
Pratyusha, beta, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, only 9 participants are there.
I am the 9th one. So only 8 are there.
And ma'am, in the morning class, there were so many children.
Yes.
And ma'am, now there will
They have
9.
got tired. They woke up early in the morning. They are tired now and they have gone to sleep.
Ma'am, I don't leave any class. I attend
Very
all
nice.
the classes.
Very nice. I have seen Dhwani, Samar, Pratyusha,
Ma'am, I
Devyanshu,
also.
Anjali, Garv, yes, Pratishtha. You people attend all the classes, which is very nice.
Few days before I was not feeling well, but I attend the classes.
Very nice. That's very good. But sometimes it's good to take rest also. You should not strain yourself much.
Okay, ma'am.
And who else is regular in the class? Om is also regular. Om Agarwal is also very regular.
Ma'am, Adrika is not.
Adrika, yes, Adrika is also regular. I don't know why she's not here right now.
Ma'am, she's sometimes not regular.
Huh?
Ma'am, I've seen her. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Summer, mute yourself.
सामने वाले
Beta.
कमरा में लगो, इधर वाले.
Summer, mute yourself.
Ma'am, now there are 9.
9 including me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, there are really 9. Ma'am, Devansh Chaudhary come.
Yes, now students are 9. Yes, yes. But he is not being able to connect. I think there is some low connectivity, low signals with him, low signal issue with him.
And ma'am, Bhavishya Gaur has also joined.
He was already there.
No, ma'am.
Yes, he was there. I have written his name in the attendance list. Oh, you are right. He was not there. He has come now. Bhavishya.
Ma'am, I am getting very tired.
Who?
I'm sitting idle.
So why don't you revise?
I never get tired.
Super lady, huh? Super girl.
No, ma'am.
When my attention, ma'am, when I get tired, I do like this.
And then you get fresh by doing like this. Huh, Dhwani?
Ma'am, my
Okay, you
birthday is
stretch yourself.
coming.
That's good. Yes, stretching is good. You feel a little relaxed and better after stretching yourself.
Ma'am, do you remember my birthday?
Oh no, I don't remember your birthday, beta. I don't remember the date. Tell me now, I will not forget.
Ma'am, it is on Diwali.
On Diwali, 14th November.
Yes, ma'am.
You were born
Yes, ma'am.
today.
Yes, ma'am.
What a lovely gift for your parents, huh? On Children's Day. See, what a lovely gift his parents got.
And ma'am, on this day, there is a birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru also. Ma'am, first Prime Minister of our India.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, my sister's birthday is on 14 November.
Very nice. Very good. Bhavishya, do you know what we are doing? Have you done the test, beta? Bhavishya Gaur.
Ma'am, can I send number?
Children, okay, tell me one thing. Why only these 3 students have put their cameras on? Why can't all of you put it on?
Ma'am, which three?
Samar, Pratyusha and Dhwani. Only
And
their
ma'am, Anjali
cameras.
also.
Now Anjali has
Ma'am,
put it
Anjali
on
also.
after telling. Now Bhavishya Gaur, BG has also turned it on. Bhavishya Gaur's abbreviation is BG, huh? So I'll call you all by your abbreviations. Okay. Let's have a quiz. Who is DD in class? Tell me. DD.
Divyanshu Dev.
Very nice.
Divyanshu Dev.
Ma'am, can I send the revision on your personal number?
Okay, AS, you can send.
Anji Saxena.
Anjali Saxena. Ma'am, S.
SV, huh? Yes, SV. Say, I will call out your names like this now. PS. So there are 2 PS in the class.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Pratyush Gaur and Pratyush.
Pratyush Gaur is PS.
Ma'am, Pratyusha Singh.
And who else?
Singh. Ma'am, Pratishtha. And
Yes.
ma'am, Pratishtha Singh.
Yes.
Ma'am, and my. And
I already called it out, your SV.
I confused.
Yes?
Ma'am,
Who
but
said-
no one answered. When Sarwan takes our attendance, she takes my name as Pratishtha and Pratishtha names as Pratyusha. Am I
Yes.
very confused?
And I get confused in Pratishtha Singh and Dhwani Kushwaha. The other day, I was having this parents teacher meeting with Pratishtha's father and I was looking at Dhwani Kushwaha's report card. I got confused. And he was telling me Pratishtha's marks and I was telling him, no sir, he has, Pratishtha has got these marks and I was speaking out Dhwani's marks. I was so confused between the two.
Ma'am, but Shalini ma'am used to say me summer vacation.
Oh my god, summer vacation. That's a nice name. Huh?
And ma'am, surname to Swarnima.
Swarnim. Okay, Swarnima. Okay, very nice. Where is Swarnim these days? He is not attending the classes.
No, ma'am, he attended the class, but now he is not attending. Ma'am, I think he attended the class of science. Yes.
Okay. Maybe, yeah, because children are avoiding now. They have done all the work. But I'll talk to him. He must attend it. Have you all completed it? Shall we start with the oral objective test?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you
Ma'am,
have
I
done?
think so.
You people are enjoying the chit chat session, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Ma'am,
tired.
we like
Answers in in the chat box.
Ma'am, till the time we can do chit chat like this.
Yes. So is there anybody left doing the work? Anybody still doing
Ma'am,
question
I'm
answers?
doing this.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Nobody is
Ma'am, I'm
doing
doing
question
this.
answers now?
Ma'am.
No. Okay. So the chit chat session gets over. Let's come to the objective test.
Oh.
If somebody would have said, yes, ma'am, I am doing the work, then we would have continued with our chit chat.
I was doing the puzzle.
Ma'am, we have to write our answer in chat.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, we have to write in chat. You say the question and we have to write.
Ma'am, I make all the 3 copies of SST same.
Very good. Dhwani, I didn't understand, beta, what you were saying.
Ma'am, when you will ask the question to us, we have to speak or we have to
No,
type
you have
it.
to type. You have to type in the chat box.
Oh,
Everybody-
Ma'am, my typing is so low.
No problem.
Ma'am, my typing is so
Okay.
fast.
Today the slowest one will be the winner.
Oh my god, I will type slow. I will type slow.
No.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, this is wrong.
You have to type by your own speed. The only thing is that you should know the answer. This way your revision will be done.
Oh.
Okay.
Mama, I have
Okay,
sent
ma'am.
revision.
You have sent, very good. Okay, now children listen. The huge mountain range in the north is called, type in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have sent first, but the spelling was wrong.
Malia.
One second, I sent.
Third,
No,
ma'am,
but my spelling was wrong.
No, ma'am, third.
Ma'am, please see who sent first.
Okay.
Malia.
Bhavishya Gaur is the winner. He sent it last. Next.
Huh?
Pratyush Gaur is the winner. He sent it last.
Okay, ma'am. Next. Okay.
Beta, you should know the answer. Everybody is a winner. Now let's get serious again. Enough of jokes today. So everybody's answer is correct. The huge mountain range in the north is the Himalayas. Then the
Ma'am,
second
someone has
question.
written M and N.
And then
What are you saying?
Ma'am, someone has written wrong spelling. Himalayas.
Himalayas. Everybody has typed Himalayas. Whose spelling is wrong?
Ma'am, Samars. Ma'am, first.
Himalayas. Okay, Himalayas. Fine. Okay. Next
Ma'am, by
question is,
mistake.
name the highest mountain peak in the Himalayas.
Peak. Getting confused. Peak. Wait, answer. Ma'am, Pratyush Gaur has sent Thar Desert.
Ma'am, we jump Malia and Thar Desert.
Name the highest peak of the Himalayas.
Highest peak.
Ma'am, I have sent first.
Beta, what answer have you sent? Yes. Bhavishya Gaur has sent it first. The correct answer is Summer, something is wrong with you today. Now you have look at your spelling. Mount Everett. Okay. So the highest peak in the world is Mount Everett.
Mount Everest.
Mount Everett.
Ma'am, who is the winner?
Everybody is the winner. All of you are winners.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
now listen to the next question very carefully. Which state is not located in the northern mountains? I will tell 3 states. Out of these 3 states, you have to tell which is. Devansh, what are you saying? What are you saying, beta? I can't hear you.
Ma'am, please speak the question again.
Which of the following states is not located in the northern mountain region? The 3 states are Sikkim, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh.
Ma'am, Bihar.
Who told the answer is the loser? You have to type it.
Muri.
Ma'am, Pratyush someone has written wrong spelling.
See, Aakif.
Ma'am, someone has written again wrong spelling.
Summer has written wrong spelling again. No, Summer has written right. Buhari.
Buhari. Ma'am, and second I have written correct.
Yes. Summer seems very tired. His hands are not working correct today. Now Summer is actually
That's
tired.
why I'm using my pen.
Yes. So the correct answer is Bihar.
Bihar.
Sikkim
My
also
hands
comes. Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh both fall in the northern mountain region. Then we have name the hills. Name any 2 hills in the northeast region. Name any 2 hills of the northeast region.
Of the northeast region.
Yes.
Ma'am, you again get confused.
I am confused. Name
No,
any
ma'am, we
2.
are confused.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, we are
Name any
confused.
2 hills that are in the northeast. Any 2 hills. Northeast region, we have various hills there. Mizo, Khasi, Garo. Forgotten? Mizo Hills, Khasi Hills, Garo Hills.
Ma'am, I have sent all 3.
Yes. So, which hills are found in the northeast region? Mizo Hills, Khasi Hills, and Garo Hills.
Khas.
Which region is also called the Indo-Gangetic Plains?
Hills and Garo. Ma'am, I have sent the answer first and the spelling is also correct. I also send it second. Ma'am, I am first. Ma'am, I am
Everybody is
second.
first. Whosoever is answering right is first.
But ma'am, only 2 students are.
Very bad. Why?
Ma'am, this is not correct.
Northern Plains. Yes, it is the correct answer. Which region is called the Indo-Gangetic Plains? That is Indo-Gangetic
Plains.
region, Northern Plains.
And please tell the next question.
But I am thinking of the next question. Which is not, no. Which region is the rice bowl of India?
Ma'am, I have changed my room. Pratyusha Singh T. Sorry, I have sent by mistake.
Which region is called the rice bowl of India?
Ma'am, see, I am the winner again.
Yes. Pratyusha, Samar, your answers are correct.
Correct.
Next, which region is rich in minerals?
Let you. Coastal region.
Plateau is incomplete answer. Plateau is not the answer.
Ma'am, I.
Peninsular Plateau region. The answer is Peninsular Plateau region.
Ma'am, half Summer is correct, half Maya is correct.
Yes.
left for class.
Ma'am, 2 minutes are left for class over.
Okay.
So,
No
ma'am, in
problem.
2 minutes, what we will do?
No, we are still doing it now. We have not come to the end. Okay. Now the next question is, which canal was built to bring water from Punjab?
Ma'am, send it the answer.
Sent the answer. Sent.
Ma'am,
S-E-N-T.
send the answer.
Yes. Correct. Indira Gandhi Canal was built to bring water from Punjab.
Ma'am, yesterday I read this chapter only.
Very nice.
So, ma'am, I remember.
Ma'am, anybody is whistling.
Yes, ma'am.
Very bad. Very bad. I do not encourage and appreciate these kind of things. Then, where does the western coastal plain lie? Between dash and dash. Fill both the dashes.
Between.
Ma'am, the class is about to over.
Ma'am, going over.
No problem.
Ma'am, because less than 1 minute is left.
Written? No answer?
No, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Answer it. Hurry up. I have not received a single answer. Let me see. Now the one who will answer will be the winner.